Hello hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. Fixing the issue, the Holo TV, the live stream and videos player button in error problem. The Holo TV is an error and error you live stream. We have the tube and loading this running now. And error check your internet connected and try to again the error problem but easily problem the solution. Update this video and properly guideline updated. The first of all example the step I updated the notepad open and the reset your internet connections. The internet speed testing and officially the internet testing the speed and laptop and PCs. Two-step the reset your smart TV and stream the devices and completed the reset your devices and smart TVs and properly guideline and more detailed updated the speed and updated humble TV humble application officially the Play Store and ISO and iOS devices iPhone the search bars and available updated new second step the claim cashier and the devices completed uninstallation. Change the DSN devices, the codings, Google DSN, the changings, and try to define and first of all important the humbles, the status updated the checkings.